In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best pod and parcel discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for pod and parcel discount promo codes. Right here, select this website and open it. As you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount off on your order, all you have to do is just select right here this promo code. This is the promo code that, as you can see, has been copied, and you can use this promo code on your next order in order to get this 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website right here, and as you can see, we have some promo codes as well. And for example, if you want to get this 15% discount, this promo code is also verified. You can simply select show code from right here. This is the promo code. You can just copy this promo code from right here, and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this 15% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.